Hey guys, very good evening. Welcome to Sandhai Pechu. Wish you a very happy new year from my side as well as Sandhai Pechu side too. And stay safe, spread your love, be positive, and have a great year. Okay, this is my YouTube channel. Everyone knows, and almost close to 669 subscribers, and thanks for the 18,000 views and it's in a short time, and thanks for that. And I'm trying to improve my the insights and come for this year or two. Okay, and this is my videos, everyone knows, and if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe for more updates, and that's what I would say. Yeah, okay, this is a kind of this is a kind of technical answers video, and this is a kind of technical answer series. I'm taking like 4 stocks, analyzed 4 stocks, and what is going to happen for the next month or next days or next week also. Let's I took 4 stocks. Let's get into the stuff, and let's get into the action first. So I took Apollo Tires. Everyone knows it's a very good stock. Sorry, this is Apollo Hospital. Sorry for that. Type error. Okay. See, the after lockdown, after post COVID, the market is giving a good momentum. I would say they completely kind of there's a trend line is forming here. Trend line or channel, again a breakout is given, again a flag pattern, again a forming is happening. A double bottom is forming. Neckline got broken, again going up. So market is almost at the market is at all time high. Okay, so when you see this is a kind of pattern, see there's a trend line is forming here, upside and downside trend line is forming here. What is the drawback of this? When the both the side trend line is forming, we call this pattern called a symmetrical triangle pattern. So if you put stop loss either side, definitely it will hit. In a swing trading, if you put a stop loss for a future order or like intraday stuff, definitely your stop loss will hit. This is a two-way breakout. Any side can breakout could happen. Who knows? Because when you see the all-time high, we need to wait very patiently which side is breakout is going to happen. If the downside breakout happens, go for accumulation to buy the stocks for a positional call. Okay, see how the pattern involves from 25th November, almost close to 1 month. The pattern is that the candlesticks are in the pattern, going downside, going upside, again downside, again correction is happening, again upside. This is what the complete pattern is forming, that symmetrical triangle. We need to wait for the breakout. See, from here almost like post COVID, it taken a huge support, 1050 to a huge support. From there again the market is coming 1052 to 2400, 414, almost 1400 points in just 9 months. This is the power of the stock market. Once you buy a very good momentum stock, always I tell my students, go for a momentum stock for trading or a future or for a swing trading. Definitely you get your profits within 45 to 50 days. At least a 5 to 10% profits you will get. Definitely you will get. The symmetrical pattern, definitely the breakout would happen. So wait for the breakout, either upside or downside, then you go for entry. Okay. Next stock would be a very good stock, a penny stock, I would say. One of my favorite stock, given almost like 60,000 rupees profit in like 2 weeks back. So again I'm going for higher time frame, a weekly candle. See the power of this stock. 25th September 2017, after 3 years, the market touching here. This is a miracle. This is what we called as history repeats itself. Wherever you go, it will come again, but you need to wait for years or months or whatever it is, but definitely it will come. Given a breakout, this is a weekly time frame. We're going for higher time frame, so weekly. Almost this is a die. The candle, the stock is a die. 10 rupees 75 closing price today. So once it breaks, we can see the next targets. So in between, what happens? See, 2017 the market is going to fall again. This is a consolidation. See, almost almost February 2018 to almost like 2 years. The 2 years market is in consolidation. This is a miracle. This is a miracle. Once consolidation got broken, the same breakout, same box pattern given here. Same box pattern given a fall here. Okay, exactly fall here. So again the market is going up. See, when a stock is at all-time high, you don't know what is going to happen. That only we're using a tool called Fibonacci extension. When you go for higher time frames like weekly and monthly, definitely this tool will definitely helpful. I taken a swing low, again a swing high, again a low, given almost just 1 rupee 25 paise to hit the next target, that is 12 rupees 2.618 as a Fibonacci retracement value. Just think about it, guys. This is a penny stock. This is just a penny stock. The market is giving a very good correction and given a beautiful uptrend. Try to focus the stocks whatever you want. Apply your knowledge, apply the technical stuff. Definitely you get your book your profits anytime. Okay, the next jackpot stock. Everyone is talking about 2008 and 19 trending stock. This is S Bank. See the miracle in S Bank. I'm going for higher time frame. Okay, see July 2005, again November 2008, whatever it is, November, October, whatever it is, again a double bottom forming here. Okay, the market has given a correction, there's a double bottom, neckline got broken, again the target went up, again a correction. Okay, from here the consolidation is happening. That is distribution phase. This is a distribution phase. Distribution is nothing but consolidation. Okay, distribution happens at the top side, accumulation happens at the downside. You need to know these guys. Downfall happen, again a retracement, again a big fall. Okay, see 1, 2, 3 major times the market is stuck with the support. Definitely once the neckline got broken, there's a strong pullback, almost like last 5 months a strong pullback is happening here. See, once this got broken, definitely the market will come 30, then 46, then again 70. It goes on, but you need to wait. That's the patience requires. Patience gives passion. That's very, very important, guys. Just think about it. The last stock, again a good government stock, PSU stock, BL, one of my favorite stock in my list. Okay, I'm going for again a weekly time frame. See what happens. 2 confirmations in the script. One is inverted head and shoulder forming in the higher pattern. Okay, next is see the resistance. 21st May 2018, almost like 18 months after the market has given here. 18 months after the market touching a weekly candle breakout is given, but we need to wait for the confirmation for next week. Once this breakout given, the next target would be this is the next target. Where comes the next target? Same consolidation, same this thing. Okay, the same head and shoulder target. Yeah, same head and shoulder target. Almost like 180 to 190, depends on approximately. I'm talking about that. The next high resistance will be 191. Okay, this is what the power of technicals analysis. Once you know this, you can trade any stocks, but try to go for volatile stocks. That's very, very important. So this is what happens, and hope you like this video. And I given a 4 set of stocks. So if I get a time, I will do another 4 set of stocks, or you can comment it in the section and I can analyze and I give the stocks whatever value. So if you like this video, like it, subscribe it, share it and comment it, and stay safe. Happy New Year once again. Bye bye. Signing off from Sandy. Bye bye. Take care.